Hey everyone, before we dive in on this extremely short piece of information, if I could ask you guys to drop a like, it'll really help to share this video to a lot of people who have questions about this subject. It's all over the forums online, and this is the absolute straight to the point, no fluff way to print Amazon shipping labels directly from Amazon Seller Central. First, you need to go to the Chrome store. You need to get the Chrome extension Rollo Label Converter. You do not need to have a Rollo printer for this to work. So you go ahead and download it, and on the extension you sign in, you make a username, and once you get to your Amazon Seller Central and you're ready to actually print shipping labels, you've paid for your postage, right next to the yellow box that says print box labels, you click Rollo labels. That's it. You let it go and do its thing here for a second. It modifies all the postage, it modifies the labels to how they need to be, and all you have to do at this point is literally click print. So all I had to do here is modify my printer to make sure that it actually fit the correct size, and I have blurred out all the information that is personal to me, but as you can see here, it has modified both of the Amazon shipping labels to how they should be for a thermal printer on a 4x6 label. And that's how it looks actually printed out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is David Mueller from MonetaryOcean.com. Don't wait, dive in.